Donald Trump just absolutely nuked Bitcoin. Let's take a look at what exactly happened today, how Bitcoin went from potentially breaking, the $90,000 mark to back down to 83,000. Welcome back to the 99B channel. It's your boy Crypto RJ. Now listen, if you guys do enjoy these daily Bitcoin updates, make sure you guys subscribe down below, and even better, if you guys want to go ahead and buy crypto without having to do any sort of ID verification, zero KYC, be fully anonymous, check out the link down below to the best wallet. It's the wallet that we recommend on this channel, and guys, it is very simple to use, a very clean user interface, and like I said, no ID verification needed. You can be fully anonymous, so if you don't want to pay taxes or, you want to be fully low-key, you could do it. Not only that, guys, they also have a crazy airdrop going on right now for their best token. So if you guys do want to participate in the airdrop campaign, register, and you can instantly start earning best by completing daily and one-time quests and engaging with best wallet socials. Again, guys, I'm gonna leave a link down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out. Go ahead, download it, and get some free money because it is literally free and easy. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin. So this was tweeted, right? Just in $87,000 Bitcoin. And this was literally, about 12-13 hours ago. And then, we were followed up by this. Just in $300 million liquidated from the cryptocurrency market in the past 4 hours. Liberation Day, more like liquidation day. Let's take a look. So we can see Bitcoin was rallying, right? It actually did pretty well, hit a peak of almost $88,000. Then it pretty much went all the way down to $82,000. On today's TLDR, we could see nothing that is really talking about what's actually going on. What actually happened was Trump decided to Hitler the markets. This is what he did. President Trump's reciprocal tariffs. So these are pretty insane. Some of these are actually batshit crazy. Some of these, it's like, okay, like we're gonna have to see what happens. I believe some countries have already said, hey, all right, you win Trump, whatever. But again, this is obviously going to be detrimental for the markets. The stock market is probably going to be hurting tomorrow. So some main key ones, right? And again, I'm not saying key ones, and I'm not trying to pick favorites or whatever, but just based off of what I've seen more news about. India, 26%, Israel, 17%, China, 34%. That one's going to be crazy. Where else is here? Sri Lanka's 44%, which is crazy. Indonesia, 32%. Switzerland, 31%. Cambodia, 49%, right? South Korea, 25%. South Africa, 30%. The United Kingdom, 10%. And the EU, 20%. So guys, this chart is going viral everywhere right now. It's absolutely crazy to see what is actually going on. And again, guys, even for Donald Trump, right? This is batshit crazy, even for Trump standards. The world's countries finding out about their own economy on the basis of a large, colorful placard. What is actually going on? Like, this can't be real, right? Like, we all thought Trump was going to send Bitcoin to like a couple $100,000 this year. Yeah, that's actually not happening. So some bullish news regardless. Japanese MicroStrategy is buying Bitcoin. Metaplanet just bought 160 Bitcoin worth 13 million. They now hold $360 million of Bitcoin, so that's super bullish. And I believe they are going to be buying more Bitcoin as well. So more bullish news. Bitcoin processed over $5.5 trillion worth of transactions in Q1. Very, very bullish. A little bit less than 2024 Q4, but considering that the markets have been down only in 2025, that is pretty cool to see that the transaction volume is still staying pretty high. Now guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I am still long-term bullish on Bitcoin, and this all is just, short-term news, in 1 year out the other. Come back in 5 years and Bitcoin will definitely be a lot higher than right now. That is my personal opinion, and a lot of people will agree with that. So if you guys are still long-term investors, leave a like on this video, and again, go check out the best wallet linked down below. Now guys, that is it for today. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.